Hello, world changers, history makers, best-sellers. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. I have a word for you today. The word of the day is choice. I was thinking about choice yesterday. We make choices every day, moment to moment, moment to moment. And the accumulation of our choices is the direction we go to. And we've known that all our choices are based on the experiences we have, the knowledge we have, the level of understanding we have about a choice we have to make, or a topic or a direction we have to go to. And those accumulated choices are ones that take you to the success you want to go to, or to the direction you want to go to. The thing is, I want us to expand ourselves a little bit more. Can we make choices cautiously, with the idea that the choice you make today will be part of where you'll go tomorrow? You see, or the choice you make today will part of the generation after you, even the generation past. For example, if you do a level of healing on yourself, maybe there is a family trait that is not so good, maybe alcoholism, and you heal yourself from that, you'll find that your next generation will be better because of the choice you made. Hi, thank you for joining. Because of the choice you made, now the generations in the future are doing better. So I would like to encourage you today, as you make choices, look at patterns. Sometimes we think we have one or the other, but there is always a way, and there is always a third choice. There is always that choice that's not part of the few that you've been given, and always strive for that. It doesn't have to be this or that. How about this and that, and then some more? You see? So expand the way you think, expand the way you pick and make choices. My dad always says, if there is no door, you create one. So think outside the box when you're making choices. I was talking to an eagle last week, and they were stuck in a hard place. And all they had to do was combine unrelated things in order to form a new choice to get to the direction they wanted. So some of the choices you will have to make in your life may be unconventional from the area you are. Maybe no one in your family has ever made such a choice. So you'll be a world changer, a pace setter, and you'll be literally setting the pace and creating a new way of doing the same old thing. We are innovators. We create things. So you'll have to look at patterns. Look at patterns, maybe if you're a business owner, from different industries, and combine them to create something you want to create. So that's a different choice. There is also, when you think outside the box, I meant here some notes. Let's see. Be sensitive to divine timing. Sometimes making no choice is a choice. Sometimes you just have to stand back and wait until the choice appears. So you have to also respect divine timing. Remember, you are working in a bigger picture environment. It's not only you in the sequence of this world. So your choices are going to affect other people and other surrounding. So think in terms of big picture, think in terms of long term. So when it comes to choice one, transcend traditional ways of doing things, think outside the box. 2, look for patterns, and 3, look for create new ways and have the boldness to do it. But remember, the choices we make today will contribute to who will be tomorrow. So always think about that. As always, this is Mother Ego. I'll talk to you soon. Leave me some comments